Pennsylvania is known for its diverse landscape, which includes rolling hills, forests, mountains, and rivers. The state is also home to a number of state parks and recreational areas, making it a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. The economy of Pennsylvania is diverse, with industries such as healthcare, education, manufacturing, and technology playing important roles. Pennsylvania is a relatively large state, with an area of over 46,000 square miles. It has a humid continental climate, which means it has 4 distinct seasons, with cold winters and warm summers. Ricketts Glen State Park is a Pennsylvania state park on 13,193 acres in Columbia, Luzerne, and Sullivan counties in Pennsylvania, in the United States. When you visit Ricketts Glen, remember to take your time and enjoy the falls. This is not a difficult hike, but care should be given on the steep and wet sections of the trails. Wear your hiking boots and take your time. Enjoy the falls and all that nature has to offer in this beautiful place. The original land at Ricketts Glen State Park was purchased by Colonel R. Bruce Ricketts in the late 1800s for the purpose of using it for timber. Located in southeastern Pennsylvania near Allentown, Hershey, Lancaster, Reading, and York, Pennsylvania Dutch country is a beautiful part of our state. As the name suggests, this area is inhabited by the Pennsylvania Dutch, a cultural group originally formed by early American immigrants and their descendants. The Pennsylvania Dutch country is located primarily in Lancaster County, which is about 70 miles west of Philadelphia. The area is known for its rolling hills, farmland, and quaint small towns. Some of the most well-known towns in the region include Lancaster, Lidditz, and Bird in Hand. The Pennsylvania Dutch country is famous for its unique culture, including its distinctive German dialect, traditional clothing, and delicious cuisine. Visitors to the area can explore local markets, shops, and restaurants that feature traditional Pennsylvania Dutch foods such as shoofly pie, scrapple, and chow chow. Harrisburg, the state capital of Pennsylvania, sits on the Susquehanna River. The National Civil War Museum illustrates both sides of the conflict via interactive exhibits and reenactments. Next to the imposing Capitol building, the State Museum of Pennsylvania celebrates the area's natural, cultural, and industrial heritage. East of the city, Hershey Park is a chocolate-themed park offering rides and entertainment. If you love living where the streets are hopping, the bars are open, and there's always something to see and do, then downtown Harrisburg is the place to be. Here, the streets are easily walkable. Driving is an option as well, although if you have a car, you'll probably park either on the street or in a garage. Gettysburg is a borough and town in the U.S. state of Pennsylvania. It's known for Gettysburg National Battlefield, site of a turning point in the Civil War, now part of Gettysburg National Military Park. The Battle of Gettysburg marked the turning point of the Civil War. With more than 50,000 estimated casualties, the 3-day engagement was the bloodiest single battle of the conflict. The park also includes the Gettysburg Museum and Visitor Center, displaying Civil War artifacts, and Gettysburg National Cemetery, where a memorial marks the site of Abraham Lincoln's 1863 Gettysburg Address. Pittsburgh is a city in western Pennsylvania at the junction of 3 rivers. Its Gilded Age sites, including the Carnegie Museum of Natural History, the Carnegie Museum of Art, and the Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens, speak to its history as an early 20th century industrial capital. In the North Shore neighborhood are the modern Andy Warhol Museum, Heinz Field Football Stadium, and PNC Park Baseball Stadium. Pittsburgh is known both as the Steel City for its dominant role in the history of the U.S. steel industry, and as the City of Bridges for its 446 bridges. The city features 30 skyscrapers, 2 incline railways, a pre-revolutionary fortification, and the Point State Park at the confluence of the rivers. The Duquesne Incline is a funicular located near Pittsburgh's South Side neighborhood. It is famous for a variety of things, and the city is full of art, sports, great food, and nature. Plus, it is affordable, has pleasant summer temperatures, and is well known for its residents, all of whom are friendly and sincere. Ultimately, it's the best of both worlds, small town charm and big city convenience. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania's largest city, is notable for its rich history, on display at the Liberty Bell, Independence Hall, and other American Revolutionary sites. Also iconic are the steps of the Philadelphia Museum of Art, immortalized by Sylvester Stallone's triumphant run in the film Rocky. Philadelphia is also the birthplace of the United States, where our founding fathers met, discussed, debated, and formed a new country. Lucky for 21st century visitors, so much of Philadelphia's history has been preserved. One day in Philadelphia is just enough to see some of the highlights and to get a taste of what this city has to offer. There is so much to see here that it's hard to narrow it down for a quick visit, so we've opted to focus on the things that truly set Philadelphia apart from other destinations.